I'm about to show you a super cool trick that can help you make some serious cash. It literally feels illegal to know, but don't worry, it's totally legit, as you'll find out in just a bit. You see, I'm talking about pocketing up to $45 every 30 minutes or even less using none other than Google Translate. I bet most of you already know about it, right? It's going to be like our trusty sidekick in this money-making adventure. And the best part is that this strategy is perfect for beginners. You don't need any fancy skills or previous experience. Oh, and hold on tight because I've got a little bonus for you. I'll introduce you to another website and show you how to use the power of TikTok to boost your results even further. Trust me, if you want to make some good money in 2023, you want to stick around for this. Now, listen up, guys. This setup process is a breeze. Just follow my lead, click where I click, and we'll dive right in. Are you ready? Let's go. So, we're going to be doing something called CPA marketing. In case you're not familiar with CPA, don't worry. It just stands for cost per action, and it's a handy way to make money online without the hassle of selling anything. Instead, you earn cash for simple actions, like entering an email address or a mobile number. Sure, the pay might not be as high as traditional methods, but hey, who doesn't love some extra cash, right? So in this video, I'm going to spill the beans on how to choose those high-paying offers and drive traffic to them using the method I'm about to reveal. Trust me, it's going to be a game changer. All right, guys, let's kick things off with the website we'll be using for the offers, CPA Grip. It's a well-known platform with a bunch of cool offers to choose from. And guess what? All you need is a PayPal account to get paid. Easy peasy, right? So let's dive into the nitty gritty of making that sweet cash with CPA marketing. First things first, head over to CPA Grip and create an account. Just click on that register button at the top right corner. Fill in your details, hit the register now button, and bam. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Take a look around and you'll see the public chat section where users share their awesome results. It's inspiring, trust me. Now, the first step is to choose those high-paying offers. To do that, go to the left side of the screen and click on Offer Tools, then select My Offers. In the country section, you'll see your country already selected, along with the available offers in your neck of the woods. If you want to sort them by the top paying ones, just click on Payout and check out the Type section on the left to see if the offer is for desktop, iOS, or Android. When you click on an offer, a window pops up. It shows you the link you'll be promoting and what info your visitors need to provide for you to earn that sweet commission. To grab your affiliate link, just hit that copy link button. Oh, and take a peek at the thumbnail too. It gives you a preview of what the offer page looks like when someone clicks your link. Okay, so now it's time to filter and find the best offers. Focus on European countries like France, Italy, Germany, and Spain. These places usually offer higher payouts for each action. Just click on your country and type in the country you want to target. Let's say we go for Italy. So just click the button to sort the offers by payout and find the highest paying ones to promote. Check this out. There's an offer that pays a whopping almost $20 for every person who completes the task. So here's the deal. It's important to be familiar with the offer so you can promote it like a pro. You probably all know about iPhones, right? Well, let's choose this iPhone giveaway offer, which pays out almost $20. That's not too shabby, right? Okay guys, so once you've picked out an offer to promote, take a peek at the offer page info. Now, because the text is Italian, we will need to translate it. So if you copy this Italian text, pop it into Google Translate, you'll see what it says in English. Simple enough. To promote this offer, all you gotta do is click that copy link button. Save the link on Google Docs or Notepad because this is what you'll be sharing. And guess what? When someone clicks on your link and completes the task, the cash goes straight into your PayPal account. Pretty sweet, right? Now, I'm going to show you guys a website that will turbocharge our link promotion and bring in some sweet free traffic. It's called trafficadbar.com, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. With this, you'll literally get over 1,000 visitors every 3 days to your website or the link we're going to be sharing. How awesome is that? So let's say that only 10 visitors click on our link and enter their mobile numbers or whatever details it is. Boom, we rake in around $200. Now, picture this on a larger scale. If 1,000 visitors complete the task, we're talking about a mind-boggling $2,000. And here's the kicker. It'll only take us around 15 minutes to set everything up. I mean, seriously, that's nothing compared to the potential earnings we're looking at. Let's keep it real though. Even if only 1% of the visitors actually perform the action, we're still looking at over $200. Worst case scenario, if just one person does the action, we still pocket around $20 for less than 15 minutes of work, which is still a sweet deal. So let's get cracking and post our link on this incredible website to generate that free traffic we're after. Signing up for trafficadbar.com is a breeze. Just click on that sign up button, enter your first name and email address, simple stuff, then hit that join button. You'll get an activation link in your email inbox, so make sure to click on it to activate your account. Click next and follow the setup process. Oh, and don't forget to create a password, choose a username, and click that check username button. Finally, hit the create account button and you are good to go. Okay guys, now this is where the magic happens. It's time to add the link we generated from CPA Grip. Remember, every time someone clicks on that link and performs the action, we're going to cash in that sweet $20. So let's do this. First things first, go back to the CPA link you saved earlier. I've got mine right here in my notepad. Copy that and paste it directly into Traffic Ad Bar. But hold up, we want to make our link more appealing and boost those click rates. How? By shortening it. So just head over to bit.ly.com, create an account and log in. Grab that long link you got from CPA Grip, go to bit.ly and click on create a new link. Paste the link in there and give it a nice catchy title. Hit that create button and bam, we've got ourselves a short link. Click on copy to save it. Now, hop on back to Traffic Ad Bar, paste that shiny new link right here and hit that add website button. Boom, it's in there ready to attract those eager visitors. Don't forget to add some flavor to your ad. Let's head over to Google Translate. Choose the language you're translating from. I'm going with English. Then select the language you're translating to. In this case, let's say Italian. Now type something catchy like iPhone giveaway and copy the Italian translation. Paste it into the title section of Traffic Ad Bar. Sprinkle in another line like sign up right now and do the same. Copy the Italian translation and paste it there. Scroll down a bit and choose the language of the ad. Since we're targeting Italian-speaking people, select Italian. Then scroll a tad further and choose Italy. This way, our ad targets visitors from the beautiful land of Italy. Lastly, pick a date for when you want your ad to be seen. Choose the time that works for you, then click that save button and we are good to go. Get ready to unleash some serious traffic to our link. It's gonna be epic. Okay guys, if you've made it this far in the video, then I've got an awesome website to share with you that I found while putting this video together. So listen up. This website lets you snag up to 6,000 visitors for free. If you're willing to invest a mere $10, you'll get a mind-blowing 60,000 visitors. Now that's something, isn't it? Plus, it's super duper easy to use. Just sign up with your email and passwords and you are good to go. This incredible website is Sigma Traffic. Go ahead and check it out for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Now, here's a bonus tip just for you. To amp up that free traffic game even more, why not give TikTok or YouTube Shorts a shot? Create videos about the iPhone or the offer you want to promote, and you can attract millions of free traffic visitors with minimal effort. Will you be trying this method out? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Trust me, you want to be the first to know about our next videos because I've got some exciting tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make money like a pro. See you next time.